Hi, it's me again, as if you didn't know. Now, a lot of you have asked me since last time, hey, I've never used Fire Alpaca before. How do I use it? I'm stupid and clueless and I don't know how to use it, and I've never drawn before in my life, and even if I had, I would still be terrible and I just don't know what to do. Please help me, because you're really good at drawing and I just can't draw at all, and I really need some help in learning how to draw, and I don't know how to use purple like you do, and I don't know all the things that you know, and you give lots of really good advice and it's amazing, and I wish I knew as much stuff as you, and please help me. So that's a really good question, and you're right about everything that you just said in your question. Like all of you have asked me that. So what I would recommend in that case is, I mean, it's a hard question to answer, really. I mean, honestly, I think if you just use more purple in your drawings, I think that problem will solve itself, really, because just like I said last time, purple is just, you know, I don't even need to finish that sentence. You know, you should know if you're an artist. If you don't know about purple, then just give up. There's no hope. So if any of you know what I'm actually drawing right now, then that means you're good at probably having a chance of being an artist with a shred of hope at drawing something good. So if you liked this tutorial, good for you. I will see you next time, and don't forget to practice brushing your teeth every day, and you know, try to draw once in a while, because that's how you have a life purpose. Just drawing. It's like the whole reason that you have things to draw with. So yeah, purple, you know. Okay, bye.